Hello cats and lady cats. Welcome to Cats Right Meow. If you love cats as much as we love cats, then you've come to the right place. We have nothing but cats. Funny cats, cute cats, silly cats, and a little bit of everything in between. So get ready for some feline fun. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Right Meow.
What's he got? The dough? Awesome!
He's in it! He's in it!
Whoa! How about some tofu, Carl? Tofu? 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 Tofu?
It disputes hello. No, that's
Yes. Yes. It's the best day of my life. It's happened. Milo. Milo, why?
My mom washed the floors. And this is what happened to my cat. Just wait for it.
Kitty, 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 kitty. I'm begging of you, please don't scratch the door. Kitty, 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 kitty. Please let me sleep for just an hour more. Your appetite's beyond compare. When I have food, you're always there. Why are you always begging me for treats? You're always getting in my way. You don't believe in personal space. Why won't you let me take a poop in peace? Kitty, 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 kitty. My furniture's been ruined by your claws. Kitty, 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 kitty. Yet every day I love you more and more.
You ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
It's... Oh. No.
Surprise, Shawty!
When she asks you to put a cat door in a corner. So you make one. Well, fuck.
Were you sleeping?
Were you sleeping? Don't meow in the middle of the night.
Yeah, right there, Katsky. How in the name of Jesus did you do that?
Wow, you've made it all the way to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. There's a couple more videos here for you to watch. You could pick this one, or perhaps you could pick that one. Either way, I know you're going to like it. Until next time, keep it in the kitty litter.